Hello. Welcome to the Packwell India Machinery. We are introducing our ointment manufacturing plant for making of shampoos, lotion, creams, toothpaste, and all types of cosmetic products. Ointment Manufacturing Vessel comes with many advanced features such as anchor-type stirrer, bottom high-speed homogenizer for proper mixing, vacuum system for remove the air bubbles from products. Also, it has hydraulic system. We have ointment manufacturing vessel from 10 kilo capacity to 3,000 kilo capacity. For more information, we request you to please call the number which is appearing on your screen. And please enjoy the video. Thank you.